Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to switch from Hostinger website builder, this is it, back to HTML page, this is it, this is an HTML page, or even install WordPress on your new website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to websites. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder. And before showing you how to switch from this website builder back to HTML page, let's give this website a visit. This is it. Let's visit the website builder page to make sure this is the same page. This is website builder. Now I will return to the websites page, and before switching back from Hostinger website builder to an HTML page, it is better to duplicate your website, to just keep a copy of your old website just in case. Here you select to which hosting plan you would like to add or to duplicate this new website on. In my case, I only have this single hosting plan, which is business web hosting. Click on select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. Let's refresh this page. Now this is the same website. Let's see if it is published. It is not published. If I click on edit website, I should see the same website. So this is the same website as my old website. Now, in order to switch from Hostinger builder back to HTML page, we need to release off this domain name from this website built using Hostinger website builder. To do this, just click on these three dots and select to delete this website. Don't worry, we already made a backup copy here. Click on delete. Yes, I understand. Click on delete again. Your website is being deleted. Click on done. Let's refresh this page to see if my website is deleted. Now that my website built using Hostinger website builder is deleted, go to add website, click on it. You will see this list. Here select custom php/html website. This way you can upload your website code, they mean PHP or HTML website pages, or install other application. By application, they mean, for example, WordPress, Joomla, or any CMS or content management system application. Click on custom PHP/HTML page. Here you need to fill in your domain name, benstutorial.com. This is the address of my old website built using Hostinger website builder. Do you own this domain? Use yes. This domain is registered at another provider. You'll have to verify you own it when you connect it to your website. Yes. Click on next. Here select the closest server to your website visitors or the majority of your website audience. Here you can scroll down to see all available data centers. Let's say my website visitors are coming from the US, so I will go with US North Carolina because they use green energy in Massachusetts and North Carolina, not in Arizona. Now click on next. They are now initializing setups. This may take few minutes. And now my website is switched from Hostinger builder back to HTML page. Let's give it a visit. As you see, the certification, the SSL certification is still installing. It is not installed yet. So just be patient here. And as you see, directly after no more than 5 seconds, it was the SSL certificate is installed successfully, and my website started being accessible. Now to upload an HTML page, for example, just go to Files, File Manager. Here, click on Access all files of business web hosting or just files of your website. Let's go with the first option. Make sure to upload your file or your HTML page file inside this public HTML folder and not next to it. Double click it to open it, and here delete this default.php file. Now if I refresh this page, I should not see this page, or this page will disappear. This is good. Now let's go back to File Manager. To upload your HTML page file, just click on this Upload button or icon. Click on File. This is my HTML website single page. It's called index.html. Double click it, and it will be uploaded to your website. Now let's refresh my website. As you see, this is my HTML page. Now let's see how to install WordPress on this HTML new website. Go back to File Manager or Hostinger Dashboard and scroll. Let's look for website. Select WordPress install. Next to install WordPress, click on this install button. A new window pops up. Let's call our new WordPress, for example, my blog. Here, fill in your administrator email, administrator username to log into your WordPress dashboard, and also the password. Then click on this next button. Here you can select your WordPress website language from this list. And for the rest, keep it as it is. Click on install and wait a moment. WordPress was installed successfully. Now let's give my website a new visit. And as you see, now the same website was turned into a WordPress website. And this is how to switch from Hostinger website builder back to an HTML page. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.